Warren Buffett's what you call a value investor. This is not a style that I think is suitable purely as just one style for people that want to trade or invest. If you go based on some of the valuation metrics that Benjamin Graham and Warren Buffett, Peter Lynch, and all these guys used to use 10, 20 years ago, the world has moved on. There's literally nothing that fits into some of their valuation criteria. So what do? Does that mean you don't buy anything ever until it meets that criteria? You might be waiting years. That's why you gotta adjust it. And I feel Warren Buffett has his style. He's an absolute legend. So he's gonna do what he does, but he has to operate differently than someone like me or someone who has a $10,000 account. He has to operate very differently because he's dealing with hundreds of billions. Just his cash pile alone is around 300 and something billion. That's one of the highest amount he's ever had. Reason being, he doesn't see opportunities. And as a result of that, he'd rather hold cash. So without getting into the complexities of it, is it worth risking and buying some of these companies at crazy valuations? Or am I just better off sitting on this war chest, this cash pile, and generating a relatively risk-free rate of return on this cash? And obviously, as we know, he's doing the latter. And with the way Warren Buffett operates, Berkshire Hathaway operates, is they will get into something and then they'll add and then they'll add. And then once they get out, they won't completely get out. They'll take off a chunk, then they'll take off another chunk. So it's very rare for their large positions for them to go complete entry and then complete exit. And that's something that we as individual traders could do, but they can't without making a big deal, without moving the price against them.